Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from MRSM Bubble, and this is our video.
Jemaah, my house blacked out yesterday
Why? What happened?
because of the flash flood. Payah doh nak kemas tanpa bantuan elektrik, lol.
Backup electricity from solar panel?
Hujan all day, matahari tak nak bagi kerjasama.
Malaysia rains all year long. Where to use the solar panel?
Beli mahal-mahal, in the end duit terbang.
Retweet waste my money je. Look at this commercial. I rasa sesuai dengan situasi kita je.
Kakak, jangan risau. Saya ada solusi untuk masalah anda. Introducing
WAWINTUR.
Water, wind, turbine.
Malaysia rains almost every single day. Floods in Malaysia are one of the most regular natural disasters affecting the country, which occurs nearly every year, especially during the monsoon season. Flood usually cause power outage for days because the generating power station can be submerged by rising water. Thus, it is advised each household to have a backup electrical generator. Many people bought solar panel as their alternative. However, solar panel relies on the power of the sun to function. Therefore, it is not that effective in monsoon season. This is where WAWINTUR comes in. Using the power of rainwater and wind to spin the turbine, WAWINTUR can generate almost 2 kilowatts of electricity per hour.
Just by using renewable energy.
대박.
So, how does it work? WAWINTUR is an ecosystem which consists of
A wind turbine, small rainwater storage, energy storage system which connect to your house wiring system,
Collapsible steel, emergency switch for force stop, pipes,
water pump.
and above-ground rainwater tank.
When it is a hot day, hot air inside the house will rise to the attic and escape through a wind turbine. The motion of hot air will turn the turbine.
Same mechanism for windy day, air moving with great velocity forces the wind turbine to rotate.
On the other hand, when it is raining, collapsible steel will pull the wind turbine towards the bowl. Rainwater collected in storage will enter the bowl. Rainwater collected in ground storage will be pumped to the bowl with flow rate of 500 gallons per minute. Rainwater moving in circular motion will rotate the turbine. The rainwater will exit through this hole and go back to the ground storage. This process is repeated until rain stops.
The question is how turning off a turbine can produce electricity.
Firstly, moving fluid, which in our case are the rainwater and wind, will push a series of blades mounted on the rotor shafts.
The force of the fluid on the blade spins rotates the rotor shaft of a generator. The generator in turn converts the mechanical kinetic energy of the rotor to electrical energy. This is the formula used to calculate the power generated by wind turbine. Next, this is the height of wind turbine pool, which is 60 cm, and 30 cm is the height difference between the inlet and the outlet. Substitute all the values and you'll get 44.12 watt. Now, in 1 hour, the power that will be produced by wind turbine can reach 2.65 kilowatt.
Simultaneously, power generated by wind turbine during a windy or hot day is roughly 1 kilowatt.
Thank you, WAWINTUR. The backup electricity powered by the heavy rains allows me to help my neighbors and get help during this flood. Hashtag WAWINTUR makes it better.
WAWINTUR makes it better.
Bonus! Because New Year is just around the corner, WAWINTUR is offering a promotion. Free installment of our newest water level sensor. When water level is consistently rising, the WAWINTUR app will notify you so that you can do early preparations for the possible flood. Download the WAWINTUR app now to check how much electrical energy has been produced, to get the latest weather updates, and to receive flood notifications as soon as possible.